Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Binance to Google Authenticator in 2025. Now, this particular step adds extra layer of security to protect your account from any unauthorized access and make your trading safer. So, I would highly recommend you to do it in your Binance app or on website. First of all, you need to come here on Binance.com and then you need to simply log in into your account. As I've told you earlier, you can also do the same thing in your Binance mobile app. Once you have done it, you need to hover over to your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to go to your account. Once you are here in your account, by default, you will be on the identification section, but you can click on the option of security here in the left hand side. Now, once you do this, the second option would be of Authenticator app. So you can authenticate it with the help of Google Authenticator very easily. Now, right next to it, the off will be written because we haven't enabled it yet. So you can click on the option of manage right next to the Authenticator application. After that, it is going to ask you to enable Authenticator application. So you need to download the Authenticator application on your phone. So then click on the option of enable. Now you need to give the email verification here. So a code will be sent on your email. So you need to provide it over here. Then click on the option of submit. After that, it is going to give you the code, which will be the 16-digit code, which you need to get. Then come here in your Google Authenticator app. You need to click on this plus icon here in the bottom and add that key. Once you do this, you are going to see Binance account, which is going to look something like this over here. It will generate 6-digit code for you, which you need to paste here in your Binance account. Then you need to follow some simple instructions on the next step and authenticate your Google Authenticator for your Binance account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.